Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the chart of US dollar index. In our previous video, we talked about market taking support around 104.40, 104.50, and we can see that after this fall here, after this correction, DXY took support around the previous resistance here. So as per expectation, the previous resistance worked as support here, and we can see that along with the previous resistance, which is working as support, we also have the 50 moving average working as dynamic support around this area. And tomorrow we have CPI. CPI is a big event for forex market, forex traders. So before a big event like CPI, usually market do not show crazy moves. So we can expect that more or less the market will remain like this only. The volatility of the market will remain like this only. So we can expect the market to continue some upside. If that happens, obviously you need to plan your trades accordingly. And in case market surprises us, let's say DXY forms a big red candle and starts going down, keep in mind for a trend reversal we need an inverted V pattern here, and we need a backing of fundamental factor which we don't have. So as a result, we will only be having a deeper correction only. Correction and trend reversal are different things. So if market breaks also this level, the next support will be around 104. 104, we can see we have the 100 moving average, we have a trend line, then we also have previous support around this area. If we combine all the three factors, then yes, 104 seems to be a very strong support, and before CPI market should not go below 104. So this is all about DXY. You can see yen stands tall, dollar finds floor ahead of US inflation. So let's wait and watch. And let's look at the chart of Euro USD. In our previous video, we also discussed about the possible trend reversal because Euro USD was not forming lower lows anymore. But we can see that Euro USD is back on track again, and the structure of the market is still the same. There is no doubt that the sellers are dominating the market. Number of buyers and sellers are not equal here. Sellers are much more powerful in comparison to buyers, and we can clearly see that market is forming lower lows, which is not a good sign for buyers. And right now Euro USD, after hitting the 50 moving average, we can see Euro USD is going down. So during the day, obviously we can look for sell position around these two levels, because considering the trend of the market, sell on rise still seems to be the best trading strategy, unlike the chart of gold, because on the chart of gold we can clearly see the market is sideways, but here we can still see the market is not sideways. Market is still very much down. Sellers are still dominating the market, so sell on rise is still the best trading strategy, or sell at resistance. If you already have taken a sell position, then obviously you can be on the trade, don't need to worry. And in case market recovers during the European session, US session, then you can look for selling opportunity around 1.0800 to 1.0810. Here we have the 100 moving average, and more or less the price action will also be there in this area. So if market reverses from 1.0800, 1.0810, we can look for a sell. And if market goes for a big recovery, if you see that there is a sudden recovery on the chart of Euro USD, then obviously we can look for some good big green candles. If you want to go for a buy position, that's your personal choice, because see, I'm recording this video in the Asian session, so I need to worry about people who will be trading in the US session as well. So if you want to trade, if you want to go for a buy position, if Euro USD goes for recovery, then you can do for it. But yes, I need to think about the safety of others also. So as a result, I will still stick to sell on rise only. And 1.0800, 1.0810 first selling level, and second selling level is around 1.0885 to 1.0865. The 200 moving average and the previous price rejection around the area, which makes 1.0885, 1.0865 to be a very lucrative level to go for a sell. So these are the levels where I'll be looking for sell opportunities. And in this type of market structure where sellers are dominating, mm, okay, trusting the support level is very risky, or trusting the previous low to work as support is very risky. So I will not recommend any buy position around this area. But around 1.0630, around 1.0630, we have seen previous market bouncing from this area, previous trend reversal. So around 1.0630, 1.0625, around this area, obviously strong buyers are present, and there's a high chance that market will try to bounce from here. In this level we can go for a buy, but right now the problem is that that particular support level is far away from the current market price. Okay, so let's stick to sell on rise only. And if you have a sell right now, be on that trade, no need to exit, enjoy the profit. And let's look at the chart of GBPUSD. Similar to EURUSD, the structure here is also very much towards the downside, but unlike EURUSD, we can see that the selling pressure is not extreme here, because in many instances, okay, there was no free fall on GBPUSD. Somewhere down the line, GBPUSD was still trying to recover, and we can still see the same stuff. Try to understand the market emotion here. Market is not about buy and sell levels. Okay, so by observing the chart, you can also okay, try to understand the market sentiment, body language of the market. Okay, am I sounding crazy? Anyways, with this, in our previous video we discussed about the trend, not trend, so we discussed about the selling opportunity around 1.2550, and yesterday we saw the level working nicely. Okay, the level worked nicely. Today our focus should be on 1.2600, 1.2615. This is our level for the day, because we will be having 100 moving average around the area. Along with that, we also have FIBO 23.6% retracement level. The previous support will be working as resistance. There are multiple factors, okay, that is pointing towards a selling opportunity around this area. And moreover, 1.2600 is a round number, psychological resistance. So psychological resistance, previous support working as resistance, 100 moving average, Fibonacci, okay, everything okay seems to be at the same level. So yes, we can definitely look for a sell opportunity around 1.2600, 1.2615 if market reverses. Right now I'm in the 4 hours time frame. You can simply switch to 1 hour or 15 minutes time frame to observe the market behavior when market will hit the level. Analysis should be on higher time frame from stability, and your entry should be on lower time frame. Okay, it's called as sniper entry. Okay, so if market reverses from this level, you can obviously look for a sell position. And as I said on the chart of EURUSD, that in this type of market structure we should always try to avoid the previous low, okay, previous low as support. But here I think that there is a possibility of 1.2450 to act as support if the volatility of the market remains like this. As you guys already know that I talk about volatility a lot. Volatility plays a very important role, a crucial role. Right now we don't have much volume in the market. In low volume market usually do not go for breakout or breakdown. So obviously we can expect that in absence of volume, 1.2450 may act as support. Buyers around this area, if try to takes the market up, you can look for a quick buy position. Do not expect a complete trend reversal. Okay, do not expect a extravagant trade. Okay, but still you can expect that as a day trader, 30-35 pips. Okay, yeah, 40 pips. I'm a 40 pips trader. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Keep in mind, tomorrow's CPI, there's a high chance that not only Euro, US, GBP, USD, almost all the USD pairs may remain sideways, remain choppy. So try to stick to reversal trades instead of breakout or breakdown trades, because for breakout, breakdown, volume is extremely important, and volume is missing right now and should remain missing till tomorrow. So that's all from my side. Bye bye, take care, follow proper risk management, do your own analysis, because this is my analysis. If you want to become an independent trader, you should have your own point of view. Do not follow blindly. Okay, bye bye, take care.